subscribe GyanVardhak. Please like, comment and share the video. Who invented computer? A. J.L. Baird. B. Charles Babbage. C. Alfred Nobel. D. Thomas Edison. The answer is option B. Charles Babbage. When the computer was invented? A. 1822. B. 1823. C. 1832. D. 1845. The right answer is option A. 1822. Who is called the first programmer? A. Grace Hopper. B. Ada Lovelace. C. Edith Clarke. D. Carlos Shaw. The right answer is option B. Ada Lovelace. Which part of a computer is also called its brain? A. CPU. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. D. Keyboard. The right answer is option A. CPU. Name the first supercomputer of the world. A. Cray 1. B. Param 8000. C. Fujitsu Fugaku. D. CDC 6600. The answer is option D. CDC 6600. Which of the following is not an output device? A. Monitor. B. Speaker. C. Plotter. D. Joystick. The answer is option D. Joystick. IC chips used in computer are usually made of A. Silicon. B. Lead. C. Chromium. D. Silver. The answer is option A. Silicon. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache memory. D. None of these. The answer is option B. ROM. Which of the following is not an example of an operating system? A. Windows. B. Microsoft Office XP. C. BSD Unix. D. Red Hat Linux. The answer is option B. Microsoft Office. Name the first commercially available computer language. A. C language. B. Python. C. Fortran. D. Java. The answer is option C. Fortran. 1 gigabyte is approximately equal to 8,000 million bytes. B. 1 million byte. C. 100 million bytes. D. 1024 bytes. The answer is option A. 1000 million bytes. What type of process creates a smaller file that is faster to transfer over the internet? A. Compression. B. Fragmentation. C. Encapsulation. D. None of these. The answer is option A. Compression. Name the first virus of the computer. A. Stuxnet. B. Nimda. C. Conficker. D. Creeper. The answer is option D. Creeper. When the first personal computer was developed? A. 1970. B. 1983. C. 1975. D. 1974. The answer is option D. 1974. When was the first laptop was developed? A. 1980. B. 1981. C. 1982. D. 1983. The answer is option C. 1982. Comment your result. Please subscribe GyanVardhak, and thanks for watching this video.